Welcome to another amazing video on how to improve your garden in a simple yet extremely effective way. Today we will talk about garlic, one of the most useful plants in every garden. But did you know that there is one trick that you can do before planting, so that your onions will be stronger, healthier, and more resistant to diseases? This trick helps to improve the structure of the soil, strengthens the root system of plants, and reduces the possibility of pathogen development in the soil. So subscribe to our channel because together with you we sail into the world of healthy gardening. Thank you all for your comments. Let's get right to this trick. As you already know, garlic is known for its medicinal properties and hardiness. But with the right soil preparation, we can ensure that your planting is more successful than ever before. When the soil is properly prepared, garlic will have all the necessary conditions to develop its potential to the maximum. Strengthening the soil before planting is key to better yields and healthier plants, and many gardeners miss this step. In this video, I will show you exactly how you can achieve this. The secret ingredient for successful garlic planting is simple and available to everyone. It's a combination of water and milk. Here is the recipe. Take 5 liters of water and add 2 deciliters of milk. Pour this mixture directly into the rows where you plan to plant onions. Milk helps neutralize harmful microorganisms in the soil and gives the bulb extra strength for healthy growth. Try this technique before planting and watch your garlic grow faster and stronger. Don't forget to send this video to your friends on social networks. Thank you.